Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the Lifeproof 2-pack ceramic coating spray kit, the best protective coating for your kitchen and bath surfaces. If you're tired of stubborn stains, fingerprints, soap scum, or water spots, this is the product you need in your life. This kit is designed to protect nearly all of your home surfaces. Think granite, stainless steel, glass, countertops, appliances, and even tile and porcelain. Lifeproof's formula creates an ultra-hydrophobic layer, giving your surfaces a super slick feel that repels liquids, stains, and grime. Imagine the ease of wiping away dirt with just a microfiber cloth. No more scrubbing or worrying about buildup. The application is simple too. First, make sure the surface is clean and dry. Then, just spray the coating, buff it in with the included microfiber towel, and wipe off the excess. After just an hour, your surfaces are ready for dry use, and in just 4 hours, they're ready to get wet. It's that easy. Plus, the coating lasts anywhere from 6 to 12 months, making it a long-lasting solution to everyday messes. What makes this product stand out even more is that it's non-toxic, which means you can use it confidently in spaces where food is prepared or served. It's passed extensive testing, including MTT cytotoxicity testing, ensuring it's safe for the environment and your health. You might be wondering about its effectiveness on surfaces like glass or painted cabinets. The answer is a resounding yes. Whether you're sealing a bathroom mirror, protecting your kitchen counters, or giving your shower glass a streak-free shine, Lifeproof has got you covered. With its high-performance capabilities, this ceramic coating is the ultimate solution for effortless cleaning and long-term protection. You'll notice the difference immediately. Your kitchen and bath surfaces will stay cleaner, shine brighter, and resist stains better than ever before. So, if you're looking to upgrade your cleaning routine and protect your home with ease, the Lifeproof 2-pack ceramic coating spray kit is the way to go. It's the perfect investment to keep your surfaces looking fresh, clean, and protected for months to come. Don't wait. Get yours today and say goodbye to grime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more amazing product reviews.